Welcome to another episode of It's All Downhill From Here. Quick stop off on the way to Launceston. So picturesque, all the places we've passed. Tall mountains, beautiful rivers. Tasmania, it's an incredible state in Australia. Launceston, Tasmania. Here we are at our hotel. Margie's excited.
Yes.
That was a long drive. Woo, from Hobart. It was. That's true. Alright, let's go check in. I like this old school vibe. Not bad. Very friendly. What a quality spot, Margie. Well done, good choice. Tammy, Chels. It's going to be a pretty comfortable stay here in Launceston. I am a fan. All checked out the Colonial Hotel. Great little stay. Love this little place. Cozy, warm, nice, comfortable beds. We went there that much, but you know, it gives you all the necessities, and it was comfortable. A perfect intro to Tamar Valley is the Wetlands walk here. I did last time, and it's really beautiful. It's a boardwalk along the wetlands surrounded by mountains. The Tamar Wetlands. Tamar. I never know how to pronounce it, but it's amazing. Only 15 minutes from Launceston.
Funny how the distance makes it feel like you're right here. I never thought I'd be the one to say.
Loads of bird life. You can hear them going pretty nutty behind me. Yep. That's what I was thinking.
And you say you are not alone in this world. You are not alone. Every now and then the missing you gets hard to bear. So damn much it brings me to my knees.
Hoping not to see any Tasmanian snakes on this walk.
And you say you are not alone in this world. You are not alone. You are not alone in this world. You are not alone.
Well, what have we got here? Look at this little guy. Cute little echidna. Just off the path. Hey, buddy.
Most times I don't understand the reasons that it happened. I don't think I ever really will.
I love these little guys.
Moments I can hear you whisper still. You are not alone in this world. You are not alone. You are not alone in this world. You are not alone.
Definitely do the walk down to the bird hide. It's amazing. So I'm going to go a little bit along the Tamar Island track, but not all the way down. I've got some sick travel companions and I've got to get back to the car, but it's amazing. The whole thing, maybe it'd take a couple of hours. I'm just shortening it, but it's well worth seeing. It's a beautiful walk. The boardwalk's well maintained, and the scenery, the scenery's stunning.
You are never alone.
There we go. Now on the middle part of the Tamar Island walk is another island I think you cross to over the far end. I won't be doing that today. I hope you do. Definitely will come back though and do the full walk. It's worth it. Tamar Valley is just beautiful. Peaceful. Seen a few bird watchers, like rocking really sweet cameras come here. I imagine they see some pretty rare bird species and awesome sightings in a real natural area environment. So if that's your thing, pack that camera. Like I said with the bird life, I don't know what they're doing, but it's interesting. So there we have it, the Tamar Island Wetlands Walk. Worth checking out. Great entry to the Tamar Valley. Beautiful mountain surroundings, swamplands. Saw some wildlife and echidna. Beautiful walk, to say the very least. So yeah, if you get the shot, spare an hour or two, come on and have a look. Cellar door. Ooh, this is fancy. Looks nice. Ready for a wine? seat right outside these beautiful views. So I've got the Expressions of Pinot Noir package, all red wines. Not a wine fan, not a white wine fan I should say. Starting off with Peary Sparkling Rosé. Which I'm not a big fan of. It's the closest thing to white wine. Yeah, not my style. Get this one down, it should be good from here. Ah, that one's horrid. Not a fan of that one. Well.
I'll get you to some vintage sparkling. Thank you.
Now we're on the reds. Now we're talking. Much nicer. Lucky. It's usually me doing this kind of stupid stuff. So somehow Tam lost her glasses here. It's quite a good show.
Yeah.
Especially crafted by Chelsea. A cracker with blue cheese. What's the patty? Pate? Pate and apple. It's a good combo.
And this one.
With an olive to boot. Well done. The things we do. Tamar Valley Research Series Pinot Noir. These reds are getting better. Can't have wine without a cheese platter. Thanks so much. That looks delicious. Now we have it, the most expensive and delicious glass here, Tamar Ridge single block Pinot Noir. You certainly get what you pay for. The last of the single block Pinot Noir. $100 a bottle. I'm good. They all taste pretty light. Good flavours, but I would say it's definitely not the best I've ever had, but delicious nonetheless. Worth coming and checking out. Bit tipsy?
She's like fucking.
I love her red face whenever she drinks. It's like a beetroot. You get sunburn?
Sunburn.
But she's like my boss. My boss.
So there we go, Tamar Ridge, widely known for its Pinot Noir, and yeah, had some delicious wines here. Another day, another glorious hotel. Time to relax. So thanks so much for watching. The Tamar Valley really is an area in Tasmania near Launceston you must explore. That Tamar Valley Wetlands walk offers so many great scenic views, echidnas, and it's just nature at its best. And the winery, well, if Pinot Noir is one of your favourite red wines, look no further than the Tamar Ridge Cellar. Don't forget, if you are liking the series, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep delivering you content just like this. And if you do manage to check out the Tamar Valley, put a comment down below about your experience. I would love to hear all about it.